So we ordered on Amazon this big pink mini fridge. This good stuff. It will be very well taken care of. And it is very pink.
That is cute. Actually,
It has a seal on it.
Rip this box open.
No. I'm going to cut it. What is this? Water bottles fit perfectly down here. You can fit, they have plenty of room down here. And in here, if your water or anything you put in here does not fit, you can move the shelves. That simple. Over here, you can, if you want it really cold or if you want it really hot. Comes with a little light. We just plugged this in about 5 to 10 minutes ago, and it's already freezing up. So this gets really cold really quick. Honestly, I'm gonna say overall, I think this is good. I mean, I like it. It's a great size. Great. The inside's, I think it's kind of cute. It's bigger than the mini fridge I have now, which I got from Walmart. But honestly, I recommend it.